In this video, I will explain about exception handling with the try block, with the try and except block. So the question is to develop a function named DivExp, which will take two parameters. The function name they have given DivExp, that is division exponents. The function name is DivExp, that is about division exceptions, which takes two parameters a comma b and returns the value of the division a by b. And we have to write a suitable assertion. Assertion means the condition if a is greater than 0 and in the function divexp, and raise an exception for when b equals to 0, when the value of b equals to 0. So we cannot divide anything by 0, so we have to raise an exception. Exception means so that the program's execution will not stop. So we have to develop a suitable program that read two console values and call the function divexp. So directly moving on to the program. So we have already written a function divexp with the def keyword divexp, which will take two arguments. Then we have written an assertion. Assertion means a condition which will check if the value of a is greater than 0. If it is not, it will just give a custom message that a must be 0. Then if b, and another thing is we have a conditional statement there that will check for the b nature. B, again we have the condition statement, that is if b equals to 0, because we cannot divide anything by 0. If it is the case, then we will raise an exception. Exception means the program execution will not stop, program will not crash. If b equals to 0, then we will raise a zero division error with the custom message that b cannot be 0, b can't be 0. Then if both the cases are false, then we'll just return a by b. Then again we have to use try. Here we have composed the code by using this is function call. What function we have used? divexp, that is one value. Here we are taking the value of a, another value we are taking the value of b. So the value has been taken by the usage of input and that has been converted to float. In the same way, we have taken the value of a, we have converted to float, and then those values will be carried on to divexp. And then if there are any errors, the errors will be displayed. If the errors are not there within the function call, then it will just return a by b. So if the value of a must be greater than 0, we have two things here. One is the assertion, that is condition a should be greater than 0 and b should not be equals to 0. So if there are any errors within this, execution, this will just raise an exception. That is, the program should not stop or it should not crash. So it will be catching as e is just alias, and thus it will just print the error message. So I'll just show you the demonstration. So if a is -1 and b is 2, so here there is an error in a, that value should be greater than 0. Another value I'll show, a is positive and b is 0, then it should be b can't be 0. I'll give just the normal value, a is 2, b is 3, so the result will be displayed. If either the case, the program will execute but it will not crash, it will just, we have to handle those things. This is called exception handling.